All right, we are going to take a look at problem one from the mixed practice, simplify, and solving assignment that you have. All right, first thing you'll see up on the screen is our please don't call, prepare, distribute, combine. Since we are going to be simplifying, we are going to want to follow those rules. So problem one gives us 6x minus 3, parenthesis x minus 3, parenthesis plus 8x. So step one is we are going to want to prepare our problem. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to rewrite it so I have some space to work. So we have 6x minus 3, parenthesis x minus 3 plus 8x. All right, so we are going to prepare. All right, so we are going to change any minus to plus negative. So I'm going to go through my problem. I'm going to see that there is a minus right after the 6x by the 3. So that's going to become our first plus minus. And then we actually have another one inside the parentheses where we have the x minus 3. That'll become a plus minus. All right, next we are going to write invisible ones for any variable with no number. All right, so we have x that is inside the parentheses, doesn't have a number by it, so we are going to put that number there. So we are going to put 1 right there. All right, then looking through it, we don't see much else that we can do to prepare, so we are good to go to the next step, which is distribute. So we are going to multiply whatever is outside the parentheses to everything that is inside the parentheses. So in this case, we have a plus minus 3, and we are going to distribute that into our parentheses. All right, and by doing so, we are going to have a plus minus 3 times 1x, which is going to give us a plus minus 3x. Remember, anytime we multiply a negative times a positive, you're going to have that negative, which is why it stays plus minus. And then we're going to multiply plus minus 3 times plus minus 3. And 3 times 3 is 9, and when we do a negative times a negative, it is going to leave us with a plus 9. And then we did nothing to the 8x, so we will rewrite that. All right, so we have distributed. Next, we are going to need to combine like terms. So add all like terms together. Like terms have the same variable and exponent. So just by glancing through our problem, I see right off the bat that there are 3 sets of numbers that look alike. We have our 6x, we have our plus minus 3x, and we have our 8x. Okay, that 9 kind of stands by itself. So we are going to combine all those numbers highlighted in yellow. All right, so we have 6x plus minus negative 3x, which is going to be positive 3x. And then we could take that positive 3x and add it to 8x, which is going to be 11x plus 9. And there you have it. You are all done. You do not need to combine anything else. These are not like terms. So our final answer is 11x plus 9.